A very good evening to all of you friends. On behalf of the entire team at Gradeup, I welcome each and every one of you for today's live session. So what are we going to discuss today? Today we are going to discuss some very important news relating to legal affairs. This course or this session we bring to you as a very important session for each and every one of you who is preparing for CLAT, MHCT, LAT or any other examination. So friends, in today's class we are going to discuss some very important legal news. And one of the news is this, that the government of Delhi has reduced the consumption of alcohol age from 25 to 21. So, laws change. And in this particular series, we are going to look at some of the important judgments rendered by various courts. For example, the Madras High Court has held in a very landmark judgment. Suppose you have a cake, it's on your birthday, and if you have the tricolor on the cake, and can you cut the cake? Does it mean disrespect to the nation? The Madras High Court says no, it is not a kind of a disrespect to the nation if on your birthday cake or any kind of a cake there appears to be a tricolor, and much more. Okay, so let's start with today's class, friends. But before we start, Gradeup brings to you a 12 months plus 12 months, a 2-year validity for green card. There is a 65% discount for the green card, which will give you 24 months validity. The offer is just for today. So you get a 65% discounts. And what do you get? You get 80 plus mock test for CLAT and ALIT. So this is those of you who are wanting to solve more questions. You can do it by purchasing this particular green card. And how do you avail it? Navigate to the Select Exam Green Card page, purchase any green card subscription, and then add your details to the Google form and earn the 65% cashback. Gradeup brings to you a new crash course for BHU Jamia 2021. So those of you who are planning for Banaras Hindu University or Jamia Millia Islamia, these are the two very important examinations for law. We are going to start a very new batch from 25th of March. So definitely those who are interested can definitely join in. Gradeup also brings to you a comprehensive course, a batch 3 for students who are planning for CLAT 2022. Okay. We are also on the verge of coming up with a booster crash course batch 2 for CLAT 2021, and the batches begin from 25th of March. So a number of new courses are coming up, friends. So definitely get your Gradeup subscription. Once you get your Gradeup subscription, you can avail the benefits of attending the live classes and resolve all your doubts, friends. So these are some of the most important courses. So you have to get your subscription for CLAT and other law entrance examination. But a huge discount is going on, friends. And what is that discount? 30% plus 45% discount. You get a 30% off flat plus a 45% discount if you use the coupon Surajit, my first name. If you use the coupon SURAJIT, you get an extra 45% discount on your Gradeup subscription. In this particular month, we are running a flat discount of 30%. Apart from 30%, you can get 45%, that is 30 plus 45. So it becomes 75% discount you can avail if you use the code Surajit for your Gradeup subscription. So this is a very, very important news, friends. Okay, so let's start with today's class. The Madras High Court has held that cutting a cake with a tricolor map and an Ashok Chakra in the center is not unpatriotic. Now, suppose you have a cake and on top of the cake, suppose the tricolor is there with the Ashok Chakra in the center. Now, can you cut a cake with the tricolor and the Ashok Chakra in the center? The Madras High Court says that it is not unpatriotic or it is not in violation of the flag code. Now, in India, we have a flag code. You cannot just use the Indian tricolor flag for anything and everything. You cannot have an handkerchief of the Indian tricolor. You cannot. You cannot have a socks which have the tricolor. It's absolutely illegal and violative. There are punishments to it. So, if you have the Indian tricolor on a particular cake, you can cut it and it does not mean that it is unpatriotic. Okay, very important news. The second important news, former Bombay Police Commissioner, former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh has moved the Supreme Court asking for a CBI inquiry against the incumbent Home Minister. Now, there is a turmoil going on in Maharashtra. Sachin Vaze is on the news. Parambir Singh is on the news, and the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Deshmukh, is also on the news. So much more about this second news in some more time. The third news, the Delhi government has decided that it is going to reduce the drinking age from 25 to 21 years. Very, very important. The Delhi government has decided that they are going to reduce the alcohol consumption age, the legal drinking age, from 25 to 21. Very, very important. Okay. So let's discuss some of the important news in detail. Former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh has moved the Supreme Court asking for a CBI investigation into the malpractices of Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. Now, Mr. Anil, the allegation against Anil Deshmukh is this, that Mr. Anil Deshmukh had asked the Bombay police to get at least 1 crore a month from various bars or various pubs in Bombay. Okay, so the Mumbai Police Commissioner has said that the Home Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Anil Deshmukh, has directed or has asked the police in Bombay to get or to collect 1 crore every month. Okay, sorry, 100 crore. I'm really sorry. 100 crore every month. Okay, 100 crore every month from collection from various places. Now, Now the question is that there has been a regular interference. Now, what is this CBI probe all about? Now, the police commissioner, Mr. Parambir Singh, a senior IPS officer, he says that there is a regular interference by the political executive in the manner of investigation, insofar as various police transfers are concerned. Now, the elected people, now please try to understand this, and this is very, very important. The elected people, people whom we elect, they become chief ministers, they become home ministers. Now, here, suppose is a person who is an IPS officer. Now, whether he will be, where he will be posted depends on the political executive. Now, the Supreme Court of India on a number of occasions, especially in Prakash Singh's case, has held that this causes the kind of transfer in police causes a lot of distress insofar as investigation and other police activity is concerned. Now, there is a corrupt malpractice in posting and transfer of officers is concerned. The political class transfers officer according to their will, according to their fancies. Now, in a democratic country like India, can we have faith in the political class insofar as posting and transfer of officers is concerned? Because police, as you know, play a very, very vital role in our democratic society. So, the executive, the political class, regularly interferes in the investigation because they hold the posting and transfer of police officers. So, if an investigation is not happening according to the political class, they will transfer a police officer. So, this creates a lot of problem. The petition that is filed by Mr. Parambir Singh states that transfer of police officer before completion of the tenure on the whims and fancies of the political executive is absolutely illegal. So how can the political executive interfere in the transfer, interfere in the investigation of the police? Now, suppose tomorrow there is a crime that has happened. Suppose a crime has taken place. The police should be independent. Insofar as the investigation process is concerned, insofar as getting to the bottom of the truth is concerned. Now, the political executive has got a control over the police. And how? Because the political executive has the power to transfer. तो मैं जो बात कहना चाहता हूं वो इतना ही है कि जो पॉलिटिकल क्लास है, जो पॉलिटिशियंस है, उन लोगों के पास ट्रांसफर ऑफ पुलिस ऑफिसर्स है. अगर कोई पुलिस ऑफिसर उन लोगों के, एक पॉलिटिशियन के तरफ से, अगर एक पॉलिटिशियन चाहता है एक मर्डर हो गया, वो बंदा जेल ना जाए, अगर वो पुलिस ज्यादा इन्वेस्टिगेट करता है तो उनका ट्रांसफर हो जाता है. तो इफ यू डू नॉट एक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द political executive, you get transferred from place to place. Now, in a democratic country like India, such things should not go on and on and on. It's a shame. And hence, the former police commissioner of Mumbai, Mr. Parambir Singh, has moved the Supreme Court asking for a CBI inquiry into the alleged corruption of Mr. Deshmukh, who happens to be the Home Minister of Maharashtra. Now, what is the allegation? Mr. Anil Deshmukh has asked the police of in Maharashtra to collect 100 crore every month. How are the police going to collect? They are going to collect it from various bars, from various dance bars, pubs, and all. So they say that you go to a pub and ask the owner of the pub to give you 2, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs each. And that is how you collect the 100 crore every month. Now, this is the level of corruption, the alleged level of corruption going on across the country. Now, the question is the political interference in the transfer of a police officer is illegal, unconstitutional, because the Supreme Court of India has in the previous occasions, in a number of previous occasions, has held that the political executive, people who are politicians, should not interfere in police investigation. Now, police investigation has to be fair, has to be impartial. The moment the executive, the politicians interfere, the moment the politicians interfere in the police investigation, it becomes a mockery of the justice system. If the politicians say to a police officer, of course, okay, you will not investigate properly the matter. How will the police investigate? Because the political class has the power of transferring the police officers. अगर मैं एक पॉलिटिशियन हूं, मेरे पास एक पुलिस को नागपुर से बॉम्बे, बॉम्बे से औरंगाबाद, औरंगाबाद से पुणे ट्रांसफर करने का पावर है. अगर मैं जानता हूं कि कोई alleged allegation है of a murder, for example, मैं पुलिस ऑफिसर को बोलूंगा, आप ऐसे इन्वेस्टिगेट नहीं करोगे, आप ट्रूथ पे मत जाइए, छोड़ दीजिए. आई वॉन्ट द पर्सन नॉट टू गो टू द जेल, क्योंकि मेरे पास पावर है. नहीं तो आप अगर ज्यादा इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे तो मैं आपको 2 मिनट में ट्रांसफर कर दूंगा. समझ में आया आपकी बात? Am I clear? Have I made myself clear? Are you guys understanding what I'm trying to say, friends? Okay? Did you guys understand? Any doubt? कोई भी डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हैं आप. Is there any doubt? If you guys have, please feel free to ask me right now. आप लोगों के पास अगर किसी भी तरीके का डाउट आता है, आप हमें पूछ सकते हैं. Okay? So I think that everyone is able to understand. Okay? ठीक है? ठीक है. गुनिया, अदिति, ज्योति, निधि, okay, okay, Karan Singh, okay, very good. तो आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है कि ये जो महाराष्ट्र, now since you guys are preparing for CLAT, it is very essential right now to understand these important issues, because you might get in your question paper a passage based on the current situation that is happening in Maharashtra. हाँ, परमबीर, हाँ, केपी झा, एब्सोल्युटली सर, ये परमबीर एंटीला वाला केस है. देखिए क्या हुआ था, एंटीला के सामने एक एसयूवी में कुछ बॉम्ब मिला था. सो some explosives were discovered in front of Mukesh Ambani's residence, which is Antila in Bombay. Now, the investigation reveals that the car that was found out belonged to a person. Now that person was killed later on. Now, later on, it was found out that Mr. Sachin Vaze, who is a top encounter specialist, was somewhere involved in the killing of the person who owned that car. Now, more facts comes out. The allegation is that the Mumbai police was trying to extort money because the Home Minister apparently has said that he requires 100 crore every month from the police, and he had asked the police to collect 100 crore every month. So there are a number of allegations. Whether these allegations are true or false, more investigation will reveal it. But on the face of it, it shows that the poor state of police and the political class. Okay. So the thing was this. Mr. Sachin Vaze was allegedly asked to collect around 2 to 3 lakh rupees from 1750 bars and restaurants in Mumbai so that he gets around 40 to 50 crore. Apart from that, from other collections, so this would be half the collection and the rest half would be from other sources. So the Home Minister allegedly of Maharashtra, allegedly has asked the police through Sachin Vaze to collect an amount of rupees 100 crore every month, especially and approximately 2 to 3 lakhs from the 1750 bars and restaurants that are there in Mumbai. So these are some of the very important facts. I am sure that you guys have understood this particular case in detail. Now, whether there will be a CBI inquiry or not, we don't know. Now, Parambir Singh has moved the Supreme Court, has gone to the Supreme Court and is asking for a CBI investigation into this particular matter, because this matter requires consideration. This matter requires more investigation, because the police, whether they can do fair investigation in this particular case depends on the political class, because the political class has the power of transferring any police officer. Am I clear? Okay. Okay, fantastic. Is there, guys, if you guys have any doubt, please let me know. In case you guys have any kind of a doubt that is there, please let me know. Okay, any doubt. ओके आपके मन में अगर किसी भी प्रकार के कोई भी तरीके का डाउट है तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हैं. ओके गुनिया सेज नो डाउट. ओके फैंटास्टिक. ओके Aditi Gupta, what about Trinamool Congress? That's a political news. Trinamool Congress is fighting against the BJP in West Bengal. Yeah. Okay. Fantastic. So I think in this particular class, we did discuss some of the important news and one news in detail. Okay. Fantastic. So friends, for your better performance in CLAT, all that you need to do, you need to subscribe to Gradeup Super for all live classes and mock test. There is a flat 30% discount going on. If you use the coupon code Surajit, you are going to get an extra discount of 45%. So a total of 75% deal breaking discount is going on in for Gradeup Super subscription. जो लोग अभी तक Gradeup Super के सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं लिए हैं, उन लोगों से मैं दरखास्त करूंगा कि जल्दी इसका सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लीजिए. अभी इसका सब्सक्रिप्शन में आपको 30% प्लस 45% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा अगर आप एक कूपन यूज करते हैं सुरजित SURAJIT। So friends, do like the section, do comment, do share and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Friends, Gradeup brings to you a 2-month revision course on current affairs and legal events for the last 8 months. So definitely you don't have any option. Do subscribe to Gradeup Super, and for any course related query you can call us at 96500 as well as 9319599244. With this we come to the end of today's class. Thank you very much. God bless you. Stay home. सही प्रेप है तो लाइफ सेट है। थैंक यू। गुड नाइट।
2 ऑप्शंस है, सिर्फ प्रेप करो या ग्रेडअप के साथ सही प्रेप करो। ये है मिस्टर पीएचडी, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की स्टडी मटेरियल हंट करने में पीएचडी।
अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी के लिए 29 वेबसाइट से 20,000 पेजेस का स्टडी मटेरियल पीडीएफ में डाउनलोड किया है, प्रैक्टिस पेपर्स भी।
इतनी पीएचडी के बाद एग्जाम क्लियर होगा?
पता नहीं।
तो सही प्रेप करना है यार, बेस्ट स्टडी मटेरियल और प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट के लिए ग्रेडअप है ना।
ग्रेडअप के साथ सही प्रेप है
तो लाइफ सेट है।
Download now.